What's up, Coily crew? Welcome back to my channel. This is where we celebrate your hair, guys. It's important to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. Since we understand that everything that you apply to yourself is absorbed into your body, right? Your skin is the second largest organ in your body, and it's like a sponge. It's going to absorb everything. Today we're going to talk about something super simple that people don't really think about, but can completely change your hair vibes. Let's talk sleeping in a satin-lined beanie. We'll get into that. Make sure you guys subscribe and make sure you guys give me some love. I would very much appreciate it. And also make sure you check us out at curldaddy.com. Guys, this is not just a statement you're making, a fashion statement. It's curl care at another level. So let's get into it. So the first thing we want to talk about is that the satin-lined beanie is going to prevent breakage, right? So when you sleep in your pillowcases and you're rubbing against, the pillowcases that are cotton, polyester, it is literally rubbing your hair against the material. That is secretly, first of all, stinging moisture and snatching your curls. And we definitely do not want any of that to happen. So when your hair is literally like rubbing on the material, it's causing hair damage, it's causing frizz, it's causing split ends, which we definitely do not want. So a satin-lined beanie, it is the perfect way to really prevent for any of that to happen. So basically, let's think about, it's literally like putting your curls on a cloud to sleep. There is no friction, you're definitely protecting them, your ends stay soft and your curls just stay intact. It also helps your hair retain moisture, which is very importante, muy importante, very important. Especially if you're using the Curl Daddy Hair Care collection, before bed, you're leaving your oils, the scalp, anything dealing with the scalp, it stays on your hair longer, not on your pillowcases. So it's very important, to understand that materials work differently. Cotton works differently, satin works differently. So this is lined in satin. Satin does not, again, I'm going to say this to you guys one more time. Satin doesn't absorb your natural oils like cotton does. Cotton will, it's a natural fiber, it's going to want. So this means that your hair is going to stay hydrated, it's going to stay juicy, it's going to stay defined longer. So less dryness, especially if you guys have dry hair like myself. Less dryness, more bounce. The third thing that the satin-lined beanie does is that it helps with curl definition overnight, right? So, our curls get to, if you sleep without one, obviously, depending on how you sleep, you do get flat hair vibes. But I've noticed that with the satin-lined beanie, it does happen less. All you have to do, and you'll notice it right away, all you have to do is that you're gonna have to fluff it up a little bit, but it's a bit less than if you did not, right? Because if you don't, they're gonna be drier, they're gonna be frizzier. This is just going to help the definition stay on point. The fourth thing I want to talk to you guys about is that it's going to protect your hair from the environment. If you are in the summer and your room is completely like AC is blasting, or if you are in the winter, right, and the heat is blasting, it's very important to understand that the environment also affects your curls, especially if you're sleeping for 6, 7, 8 hours. It is important to wrap it up. It is going to keep the moisture in your hair, and it's just going to protect. It's going to keep your curls smooth and, thriving no matter the season. So one of the things that I like is that it's also going to protect from the environment. And the last point, guys, it is something you can wear anywhere, right? I wear this to the airport, on the train, when I'm having a bad hair day, I just throw this on. So it's, comfortable, it's versatile. You don't have to just wear it to bed. You can wear it anywhere you want, and no one will ever know that it's a beanie for you to sleep. Even when you're exercising, guys, you can actually, which is major, If you guys go to the gym exercising, you have to protect your hair at the gym, it's a great beanie to just wear. And plus it's adjustable, so you can actually, make it looser, make it tighter, to however comfortable you want it to be, which is good. It has that versatility. So you can protect your curls without sacrificing your hair vibes, okay? So if you're serious about taking your hair to the next level, make sure that you wrap your hair up with a beanie lined in stretch satin. So if you're serious about taking it to the next level, make sure you get yours. You can actually, the one I have, you guys can get it at curldaddy.com. Again, that's curldaddy.com, and you can use code I love my hair for an additional surprise for your first purchase. Remember guys, your curls deserve luxury even when you're sleeping. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe, like, share. Did I say subscribe? Subscribe, like, share, comment. I would appreciate it. And remember guys, to love your hair, but most importantly, love yourself. I appreciate you guys. Be safe, take care, and I hope that this information was helpful for you guys that are in the journey to taking your hair to the next level. Appreciate you guys. Peace and love.